You ready? We're upside down, boys. Stay safe. This is a trail called RADke. Oh, geez. I was not ready for that. Sorry. All right, back to action. My bad. My fault. I think my fault. I don't know. There's a trail called RADke up here by Camas. Highstar Ranch, Bike Park. This is their black line down. I've not been up here in like 6 years, so I'm trying to sniff out the lines again. It's fun to get out, try different stuff. The last time I was here, I had a decent wreck on a left-hand turn. I misinterpreted. I don't remember what it was, where it was going. Oh, nice. The really bad part about visiting a lot of trails is sometimes when there's a lot of time between them, you don't have to remember them all. So it's like riding blind every time, which, you know, not a bad thing, but sometimes it can be if you're out of your league. This is, I don't know if it's a double black or black. Oh, that's a rock trap right there. Oh, I should have went up and over that. My bad. Chickened out. Well, I really wasn't sure it was on the back side of that. We are definitely tired. We've ridden every trail up here today. This is the last trail of the day. 2,300 feet of climbing. And when you're tired, you make mistakes. So you always try to be a little bit safer when you're tired. So we're taking it a little chill today. Seems to be the theme of my life. Some days, a little chill. I just don't feel as good as I used to. That rack breaks shit up. Little drop. Whoop. A little loose, loosey-goosey. It is loose though. Man, I'm careful. Oh, there's a rock roll there. Missed it. Drop. Alright, not as much talking, I'm trying to concentrate, trying to remember what everything is, or at least look ahead. This place is a ton of fun, but you will definitely have to earn it. No e-bikes allowed up here. Why? I don't know. It's a terrible idea. This would be an awesome place for e-bikes, class 1. But it's on private property, and like I said, from top to bottom it requires about, if you just go straight up and don't do the extra trails, it requires about 2,000 feet of climbing, or close to. Probably more like 1,900. Drop. We got Lucas and Ramey behind me. I'm trying to call out a couple features if I see them. Rock garden.